Unlocking a phone can be tricky, often requiring multiple attempts. For a smoother fix, try a reliable tool like Android Repair, known for its effectiveness and safety in non-hardware issues. Part 1. Where are contacts stored on Android phone? Internal storage. Android contact storage locations. Samsung, Huawei, etc. Datacom Android providers. Contacts databases contacts, DB, Motorola, Pixel, etc. Datacom Motorola, Blur providers. Contacts databases contacts 2, DB. Part 2. Where are the contacts stored in Android phone? SIM card. SIM contacts on Android store only names and numbers. To manage them, open Contacts. Tap the three-dot menu and choose Import/Export to view or transfer. Part 3. Where are my contacts on my Android phone? SD card. If your phone has an SD card, try inserting it into another device to check for stored contacts. Part 3. Where are my contacts on my Android phone? SD card. If your phone has an SD card, insert it into another device to check for stored contacts and export them if needed. Part 4. Where does contacts get saved in Android? On Google. Synced contacts are stored in your Google account. Check them at contacts.google.com from any signed-in device. Part 5. How to export contacts from Android phone. 5.1 Export contacts to PC. DB Browser and Skleitman can browse Android contacts, but aren't beginner-friendly. Mobican Backup Manager for Android Win and Mac offers an easier backup and restore solution. Step 1. Download the installed software on your computer. Connect your Android phone to this computer through a USB cable. Then launch the tool, and it'll initiate automatic detection. Step 2. After that, you'll get a program interface as below, and you now ought to click the Backup button to continue. Step 3. All the transferable file types will be on the screen now. Please select Contacts and specify a storage location on your computer. Finally, click Backup to have all the contacts stored on your computer. 5.2 Export contacts to SIM or SD card. Unlock your Android device and tap Apps. Touch Contacts People 3 dots menu. Choose Import or Export to SIM card or SD card. Tap on Select All Done. 5.3 Export to USB storage. Plug in a USB drive. Connect Android via USB. Open Contact Settings. Export to USB. 5. 4. Export via Google Contacts. Open Google Contacts. Menu Settings. Export. Select Account. Export as VecFef. Part 6. How to recover deleted contacts on Android. If you lost contacts without a backup, use Mobican Doctor for Android to recover them. IT offers Android data recovery and SD card recovery with high success rates, supports multiple data types, and protects your privacy. Root your Android device to allow recovery. Install and open the tool on your computer. Connect your phone via USB. Follow on-screen prompts for detection. Select Contacts, Next, to scan. Preview deleted contacts. Choose and click Recover to restore them.